I'm just gonna call it cross-platform. Same with my, well, PC. Grand Theft Auto 3. Wii Sports. Wii. PUBG. Cross-platform. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Overwatch. Super Mario Bros. NES. Pokemon Gen 1 came out for the Game Boy. And Red Dead Redemption 2 is cross-platform. Now let's take a look on the budgeted. So now let's double click up here to make this fit. And now let's go into copies. How many copies did Tetris sell? Well, we can go back to the list. Or we can try another source. $520 million copies, according to the Tetris Company. So we can put down here 520 in terms of millions, but I'll get to that later. Minecraft, how many copies did that sell? Maybe we could change this spreadsheet later to update along with games that might overpass other games.